Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics Ottava SC-C30 smart speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your devices or not connecting to Wi-Fi, not syncing with the app, not responding, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to set this up as a brand new speaker, we can go ahead and wipe everything off of it and get a fresh start with it. And it's really easy to do. All we need to do is the unit needs to be powered on, and with it powered on, we're going to find the power button on the top, and then on the back, we're going to come find over here in the bottom left, we're going to find this dimmer info button here. And we're just going to press the power button on top and this button here simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after those at least 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds are up, it will start the initialization. You can let go. And it will, once it's finished its reset, it will restart, and then you can just go ahead and set it up as a brand new speaker.